Hey guys, so now it is the third day into our build. So the goal for today is to put up all the railings and possibly finish off the palings. It depends on how the weather holds out at the moment. Okay, so guys, when installing your railings, you're going to want to come down. Let's say the string line is the top of my paling. The rails is about 100 mil down from the top of the palings. You can put it down to like 150 mil from the top of your palings, and the same to the bottom. You want to come about 100 to 150 mil to the bottom of your railing. So. And for the mid rails, you're going to want to just basically divide it in between the two top railing and the bottom railings. When you're putting up your railing, you're going to want to stagger the joints. So basically, what I did here, I didn't put all the joint in the same pose because that's gonna weaken the pose. So now that we've installed the railings, we're going to go around and put about one screws. So we're going to put about 100 mil bugle into all the railings just to secure it and prevent it from pulling out over time. As you can see, the nails has come off the post and it needs to be redone. Okay, so once we've done with the screws, we're going to go around to all the posts and we're going to cut the top off to a degree, so about 15 degree. We cut it to an angle so that the water doesn't pond on top of the cap. Okay, so we're finally done with our railing. Now we're going to be installing our palings. Okay, first we're going to do the setup. We're going to put one palings at the front and one palings at the end. The palings are going to be about 100 mil above the railings height, the top of the railings, and we're going to be putting a string line above the front and the back palings. Yeah, and the string line is basically a guideline for our palings to butt into. Yeah. Let's get to it. So when you're nailing the palings, make sure that like every 10 to 15 board you're checking that the paling is still plumb, or else like, yeah, because over the distance of like a meter or two, you're going to find that some is going to be out of plumb. Yeah. And that's it, we're done. Yeah, so the line's pretty straight. You probably can't see it, but yeah, it's a pretty standard fence. It's just that I had to give them like 10mm spacings in between to match the existing fence around the house. But yeah, that's pretty much a basic fence really. It's about 5:50 p.m. right now, and yeah, it's about to get dark, so it's a good thing we got it done. So we're just gonna clean up and pack up, and that should be it. If you guys like the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because it helps out with the algorithm for the YouTube. I'll see you guys in my next video.